y'all, so thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I am doing a review on the new Aries wig by Outre, and this is the deluxe wide part. So you will have a 13x4 frontal, and I think about 5 inches of parting space here, but it's 2 inches wide, so you will be able to part. But yeah, so this is the new melted hairline lace front wig, and I ordered her from Dr2, and I paid $48.98 plus shipping and handling. So the shipping was really fast. I got it in like maybe 3 or 4 days, and I have her in the color Dr2 Red Velvet, and she does come in a lot of other different colors as well. So this is what the stock card looks like, and she's really pretty. She does come heat friendly up to 400 degrees, and you know, you will have the 2 combs on the side, comb in the back, plus the elastic band and the adjustable straps. So you will get all of pretty much the basic things that most wigs come with nowadays. And I would say she is big head friendly because I had to cut some of the tab off on the side, and I kind of have a small head, but I mean, it's a lot of lace. So if you have a larger head, then you should be okay as far as having enough lace coming from ear to ear. And let me see what else. The color, oh, it tangles a little bit. No way, it tangles a lot. Let me say that again. She tangles a lot, and I'm getting a lot of shedding. So yeah, this hair is very silky, and I guess that comes along with the territory. Whenever you get silkier hair textures, you're gonna have to deal with all of the tangling and the matting and the shading up, because she's kind of like already, I mean, it's not too bad, but I am getting a lot of hair coming out on my combs and brushes and everything. But she's really pretty. I mean, she has this nice gorgeous body wave look, and she really reminds me of the Laurel wig, which is really popular, and I never got my hands on her before she sold out, so I was really like upset about that. So when I saw this wig come out, I was like, girl, you better go buy that wig as soon as possible, because it's going to be sold out. Okay, so I went ahead and got this wig. I like it a lot. She's just giving me like diva glam, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I recommend it. I think it's a good budget friendly wig. If you want something to spice up your life a little bit, get it in this color. If you don't want to spice up your life a little bit, just get it in a regular natural color, and I think she will still be gorgeous on you. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button. Go ahead and like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.